Good morning, class 10th. So today we start the question number 15 of exercise 5.3. 15 is a contract on construction job specify a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 for the first day, then 250, then 300. Like this only it will go, and 50 rupees increasing on every day. So now we have to tell that what is the sum of the working total amount they have to pay if the work was delayed for 30 days. Now here the A is what, 200, and second day for 250, third day for 300. So like this it will go. Now afterwards the value of A is what, 200, and what is the common difference? Common difference is 50, and the number of days is what, 30. 30 are the number of days. We have to find the total sum Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values. The value of n is 30, a value is 200, 30 minus 1, d value is 50. After solving this you will get the result of question number 15. Now 16 is a sum of 700 is to be used to given 7 cash prizes to the students for school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each prizes. A good question is there, this one. Total prices are 7. So I will take, let the prices will be, suppose if this will be the price A, the difference between the amount is 20. So what is the next amount? I will take as A plus 20. Then again next will be A plus 40. Then again A plus 60. Like this you can move, or if I move backward sum also, then I will take A minus 20, then A minus 40, and then A minus 60. So these are the 7 prices I will take. Okay, and sum is given that 700. Sn is given 700. Now I apply the formula of Sn. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d is equals to 700. Okay, we don't have value of A. The n value we have. How many prices are there total? Number of terms are 7. So 7 upon 2. 2a plus 7 minus 1. Now the main thing is the difference. The difference, I think, difference of each price is given is 20. Look at that, I can find the difference also. Second term minus first term, a plus 20 minus a, it will cancel. So difference is 20. So put the value here. Now solve it. 7 by 2, 2a plus 6. 6 into 20 is 120 is equals to 700. Now I will take 2 as a common from the bracket. Then here a plus 60 is equals to 700. 2 and 2 cancel. A plus 60. 7 will be divided by 700. 700, 7 will go down. It will be 100. So the value of A is 100 minus 60. So the value of A is finally 40. So the value of A is 40. Now plus 60, 700 divided by 7, 2a plus 60 minus 20. 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. I will do a little bit change in this. That series I will change, like a plus 20, a plus 40, a plus 60. Then I will go further only. A plus 80 and a plus 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a plus 120. Now see the value of A. Okay. Now the difference is also matching. Now so terms are, so prices are, now put the value of A here, 40, started from 40. then 40 plus 20, 60, then 40 plus 40, 80, then 100, then 120, then 140 and 160. These are the final prices. Now the last question for the today class, question number 17th. In a school, a student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce the air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as a class in which that example, a section of class first will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 tree, like that it will go on the class 12th. There are 3 sections for each class. How many trees will be planted of the students? Planted by the students, we will see now. Now suppose question number 17, first class will plant 1 tree, second class, third class, like that it will go by 12th class. Now one more thing, that each section have 3, each class have 3 sections. So in this one we have to multiply the equation by 3. So 3, 6, 9, like that it will be 36. Now find the sum. A will be what? 3. D will be 6 minus 3. And the value of an is 36. And the value of n is, total number of classes are, we know, 12. So directly we can apply the formula of Sn, n by 2, a plus an, n is 12 by 2, a is 3 plus 36, 6 into 39, multiplied it, 9 6 are that 54, and 6 is 18, 234 will be the total plants. This is the answer of this question. Now 3 questions left. After that your exercise will be completed. So thank you all of you. Thank you class.